Hello again. Last time, I dispelled 7 misconceptions that might be blocking you from becoming a penetration tester and jump-starting your professional career. I promised I will show you how you can become one, and I'm delivering on my promise. Are you ready? The technical skills. A penetration tester should be familiar with key technical topics such as web, networking, systems, mobile, etc. These might be hard to acquire at once. To get started right now, I suggest to learn about web hacking. In fact, web apps are available everywhere that you will be doing a lot of web application pen tests in your professional career. Do you want to get started quickly on web hacking? I offer a free hacking training based on the most famous web vulnerabilities. You can find the link in the description box. Of course, web hacking might not interest you. And luckily, as explained in my previous video, this job includes a panel of other types of missions. For instance, if you enjoy testing internal networks, I suggest you learn more about networking and Active Directory. There are so many online platforms nowadays that you will have a hard time choosing what to learn. Some of these include tryhackme.com, hackthebox.com, and rootme.org. The technical skills can be intimidating for an absolute beginner. I was there as well. That's why I prepared a comprehensive course to get you from zero to securing your first pen tester job as efficiently as possible. Access the first module right now. Now to the soft skills. Aspiring pen testers usually make the mistake of overlooking the soft skills. They are equally important. That's because you are going to go through job interviews, interact with members of your team, write reports, and communicate with your customers. How are you going to achieve that without soft skills? You could be the best technical guy or girl in the team, but without the soft skills, you might have trouble even landing a job as a penetration tester. Soft skills include writing your resume, motivation letter, technical reports, and emails. Oral skills are crucial in interviews, team integration, and customer relationships. Unfortunately, the online hacking platforms don't teach you soft skills. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In fact, the same course I mentioned earlier teaches you the soft skills as well. If you are interested, I will be more than happy to be your instructor and help you sign your first penetration testing job.